Dear students, the third video on number system is connected to divisors. All of you know that on the basis of divisors, there are two kinds of numbers. As you know that on the basis of divisors, there are two kinds of numbers, prime and composite. If you find the number of divisors of any composite numbers, as you know that prime numbers have only two factors, 1 and self. Therefore, never be questions are asked on prime numbers to find the divisors. But when the question asks about the divisor, then the number must be composite. If you want to find the number of divisors of any composite number, then first of all you prime factorize the given number. If prime factors of any given number is a का power p, b का into b का power q into r का power c का power r, then the number of divisors is equals to p plus 1 into q plus 1 into r plus 1. What it means? मतलब you add 1 to the exponents of each prime factors, and then after addition multiply the exponents together, and the product is the number of divisors of given number. Remember the steps to find the divisors. First of all, prime factorize the given number, then add 1 to the exponents of each prime factor, and after the third step, after addition multiply the exponents, and the product is number of divisors of that given number. Hence, see the question on the screen. If a 3-digit number ABC has 3 factors, how many factors does a 6-digit number ABC has? The given number ABC is 3-digit, and when it multiplied by any digit, then it becomes ABC. Then you can easily find what is the number which must be multiplied to a 3-digit number, then the digits of the given number must repeated. If you take a little attention, then you must find what is equals to ABC divided by ABC, that is equals to 1001. What it means? When you multiply any 3-digit number from 1001, then the digits of the number repeated. As for example, when you multiply 123 to 1001, it becomes the product. Never multiply, the product becomes 1 2 3 1 2 3. According to this concept, if you want to multiply a 2-digit number with such a number that digits are repeated, then you must multiply the given number by 101. Accordingly, with 4-digit numbers, 10,001 and so on. Now, come on the question. ABC has 3 factors, and I say that to find the number of divisors, you must prime factorize the number. Here, ABC into 1001, that is ABC. Here, ABC, factors of ABC is 3. If you factorize 1001, then you get 7 into 11 into 13. What I say? Add 1 to the exponents of each prime factors. Here exponent of 7, 11 and 13 are respectively 1, 1 and 1. Then total number of divisors is equal to 3 into 2 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2 into 2 into 2, that is equals to 24. Means a number of 6 digits ABC in such a way that ABC has 3 factors, then the number of divisors of 6 digit number is 24, and that is your answer. It is very easy concept. The second question, the sum of the factors of a number is 124, then what is the number? If you find sum of the factors of any number, then there is a rule. You expand the prime factors from 0 to upcoming exponent. As for example, if the prime factors of a given number is p power a into q power b into c power r power c, then sum of the divisors is equals to p power 0 plus p power 1 plus p power 2 plus p power a into q power 0 plus q power 1 plus q power 2 up to q power b into r power 0 plus r power 1 plus so on r power c. It means that when the exponent of any number becomes 0, then its value is 1. Then you can easily write 1 plus p power 1 plus p power 2 up to p power a. Here, given that sum of factors of number is 124, and 124 can be written in form of 2 square into 31, means it can be written 2 into 62 or 4 into 31. Now, 2 cannot be written in the form p power 0 plus p power 1 plus p power a. 2 cannot be written, hence it is not possible. But 4, when you take 4 into 31, then 4 is written. 4 also is not written in the form of p power 0, p power 1, p power 2 and up to p power 1. But when you gave the value of p is 3, then 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. So we must see that 31 can be written. 31 can be written as 1 plus 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 plus 2 power 3 plus 2 power 4. And it also be written 3 into 3 plus 5 power 1 plus 5 power 2 plus 5 power 0. Hence, the number must be 3 into 2 ka power 4 or 3 into 5 power 2. तो यहाँ रखेगा तब तक पूरा हमें करेगा। Hence the number must be written as form of 3 into 2 का 3 into 2 का power 4 or 3 into 5 का power 2. Therefore the number is 48 or 75. Means 48 and 75 are two numbers whose sum of divisors must be 124, and that is your answer. Third question, how many factors of the number 2 to the power 8 into 3 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 4 into 10 to the power 5 are multiples of 120? As previous, I said that if you find the number of factors of any number, then you must prime factorize the given number. If you prime factorize the given expression, then you get 2 to the power 13 into 3 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 9. Then you must prime factorize 120. 120 is equals to 2 to the power 3 into 3 into 5. The question said that the multiples of 120, if you assume that the multiples of 120 be n, then according to question 2 का power 3 into 3 into 5 into n must be equals to 2 का power 13 into 3 का power 6 into 5 का power 9. Then you find that n is equals to 2 का power 10 into 3 का power 5 into 5 का power 8. Here I separated some of the things of exponents and indices rule. As you know that when the bases are equal and the given expression in division process, then you must subtract the exponents. On this process, I write this. Then number of divisors is equals to 11 into 6 into 9, that is 66 into 9, 66 into 9, that is equals to 9 6 ja 54, 4 और 9 6 जा फिर 54 और 5 594, means 594 multiples of 120 must be factors of the given expression. Number A, B, C and D have 16, 28, 30 and 27 factors. Which of these could be a perfect cube? As you know that the divisors of a given numbers be perfect square, perfect cube. When the divisors be perfect square, then you easily remember that when the powers of the given prime factors must be 2 or multiple of 2. In the same way, when they become a cubic number, therefore the power of the prime factor must be 3 or multiple of 3. According to this concept, the number A, we consider number A has 16 divisors. The number must be cubic if 3p plus 1 is equals to 16, then you find number of p is equals to 5. Therefore, it must be cubic. Now check the second question, second number 3m plus 1 is equals to 28. So 3m is equals to 27, means m is equals to 9. It is also a cubic number. But when you check 30 and 27, then they cannot be divisible by m or p. Therefore, they not be perfect square. Means a and b are the perfect cubic numbers, but c and d may not be cubic because their prime factorizations of the numbers may not be in form of 3p or 3m plus 1. Therefore, answer is a and b. Now the next question. How many numbers are there less than 100 cannot be written as multiple of perfect squares greater than 1? The question is very interesting. How many numbers which are perfect square below 100 greater than 1? Greater than 1. As you know that there are 25 prime numbers. 25 prime numbers between 1 and 100. Apart from this, any number that can be written as a product of two or more numbers, that is, any number of the form p into q or p into q into r or p into q into r into s. A number of the form p power n into q cannot satisfy the condition of the question if n is greater than 1, as then the number will be multiple of p square. This brute force question, first let all multiples of two prime numbers, 2 into prime numbers, 2 into prime numbers, that is equals to 2 into 3, 2 into 5, 2 into 7, 2 into 11 up to 2 into 47. Total 14 numbers which are multiple of prime numbers. So that 3 into 5, 3 into 7 up to 3 into 31, total 9 numbers. Now 5 into 7, 5 into 11 up to 5 into 19, total 5 numbers. Then comes 7 into 11, 7 into 13, total 2 numbers. 11, in case of 11 there is no number. Now we need to count all the numbers from in the form of p into q into r, that is equals to 2 into 3 into 5, 2 into 3 into 5, 2 into 3 into 7, 2 into 3 into 11, 2 into 3 into 13. Adding 1 to this list, total 36 complete numbers along with 25 prime numbers. 25 prime numbers plus 36 total composite numbers. Hence, total number of numbers 36 plus 25 is equals to 61 numbers are not written in the form of perfect squares greater than 1, and 61 is the correct answer. If n square, if a number n square has 15 factors, then how many factors does n have? This is very interesting question. N square has 15 factors. There are two cases arises. 15 can be written 3 into 5 or 1 into 15. Means factors must be A is a factor, then A must be 14 times. If n square is equals to A पावर जाता है वहां तो A power 14, then n is equals to root under A power 14, that is equals to A power 17 divisors is equals to total 8. But when you saw the second condition, 15 can be written in form of 3 into 5 also. 15 can be written in the form of 3 into 5 also. Therefore, it must be A power 2 into B power 4. Then number of divisors 3 into 5 must be 15. If n is equals to A square into B power 4, n square is equals to, then n is equals to A into B power 2, then number of divisors is equals to 2 into 3, that is equals to 6. Hence, the answer of the question is either 6 or 8. हो गया का पूरा?